Let me ask you something. How long are you going to keep waiting? Waiting for the perfect time? Waiting until you join a gym? Waiting until you have equipment? Waiting until life becomes easier? Because here's the truth. If you keep waiting, your body will stay the same. And one day, you look in the mirror and realize months passed, years passed, and nothing changed. But today, that stops. Because you don't need a gym. You don't need fancy machines. You don't need supplements or expensive plans. If you want to build a strong, muscular, athletic body, you can do it at home. And you can start right now. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your body at home fast, using only your body weight, a simple plan, and the right progression. So if you're ready, let's build your body. Let me be clear. Building your body at home is not a backup option. It's not second best. In fact, some of the strongest, leanest physiques on earth were built with bodyweight training. Because when you train at home, you build real strength, you build control, you build muscle, and you build discipline. And if you follow what I'm about to show you, you will learn the exact workout structure to build muscle fast, the best home exercises for your full body, how to grow without weights, the biggest mistakes stopping your progress, and the simple routine to start today. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete home body transformation plan. So let's get into it. Step 1. Stop overcomplicating fitness. First, you need to understand this. Muscle growth is simple. You don't need 30 exercises. You don't need random workouts from Instagram. You need just 3 things. 1. Progressive overload. 2. Consistency. 3. Recovery and nutrition. That's it. At home, progressive overload means more reps, more sets, harder variations, slower tempo, less rest. So don't say, I can't build muscle without weights. You absolutely can. You just need progression. Step 2. Train your full body, not just arms. Most beginners make the same mistake. They train what they can see. Push-ups for chest, curls with water bottles, some abs, and they skip everything else. But if you want to build a real body fast, you need to train your full body. Push muscles, pull muscles, legs, core, because balance builds muscle. So here's the foundation, the 5 movement patterns: push, pull, squat, hinge, and core stabilization. Now let's break them down. Step 3, the best home exercises for fast muscle growth. First, push, chest, shoulders, triceps. Your #1 home muscle builder is push-ups, but not lazy push-ups, perfect push-ups. Here's the progression: wall push-ups, knee push-ups, standard push-ups, decline push-ups, archer push-ups, one-arm push-ups. Your goal is simple. Get stronger every week. Do 3 to 4 sets. Train close to failure. Push-ups alone can transform your upper body. Second, pull, back, biceps. Now here's where most home workouts fail. They ignore pulling. And if you don't train your back, you will never build a complete physique. At home, you can do pull-ups if you have a bar, chin-ups, inverted rows under a table, towel rows in a doorway. No bar? No excuse. Use resistance bands. Use furniture. Get creative. Pulling builds thickness. Pulling builds posture. Pulling builds strength. Third, legs, the growth engine. Want to build your body fast? Train your legs. Legs boost hormones. Legs build athleticism. Legs complete your physique. Best home leg exercises: body weight squats, Bulgarian split squats, jump squats, lunges, pistol squat progression. Do not skip legs. A strong body starts from the ground up. Fourth, hinge, glutes and hamstrings. Most people forget this movement, but it's critical. Your hinge muscles build power. At home, do glute bridges, single leg glute bridges, hip thrusts on a chair, Romanian deadlift motion with a backpack. Strong glutes equals strong body. Fifth, core, abs and stability. Abs are not built with 1,000 crunches. Abs are built with tension and control. Best home core builders? Plank, side plank, hanging leg races, slow mountain climbers, hollow body hold. Train your core like a muscle, not like a punishment. Step 4. The perfect weekly home workout plan. Now let's put it together. Here's a simple home routine that works fast. Day 1. Push and core. Push-ups, 4 sets. Pike push-ups, 3 sets. Dips on chairs, 3 sets. Plank, 3 rounds. Day 2. Legs. Squats, 4 sets. Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets. Lunges, 3 sets. Calf raises, 3 sets. Day 3. Pull and core. Pull-ups or rows, 4 sets. Chin-ups, 3 sets. Towel curls, 3 sets. Leg raises, 3 sets. Day 4. Rest or light cardio. Walk, stretch, recover. Day 5. Full body strength. Push-ups, 3 sets. Rows, 3 sets. Squats, 3 sets. Plank, 3 sets. Day 6. Conditioning and abs. Burpees, 3 rounds. Mountain climbers, 3 rounds. Hollow holds, 3 rounds. Day 7. Rest. Recovery is growth. Step 5. How to build muscle faster at home. Here's the secret. You don't need heavier weights. You need harder sets. Use these techniques. Slow reps, lower slowly for 3 seconds. Pause reps, pause at the bottom. Extra sets, add volume. Harder variations, level up movements. This is progressive overload. This is muscle building. Step 6. Nutrition for fast home body transformation. Training is only half the equation. If you want to build muscle fast, you must eat for growth. Simple rules. 1. Eat enough protein. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Examples: eggs, chicken, paneer, dal, milk, soy. 2. Eat slightly more calories. Muscle needs fuel. You don't need a dirty bulk. Just eat more quality food. 3. Drink water and sleep. Sleep is where you grow. 6 to 9 hours. No sleep, no muscle. Common mistakes. Now let's talk about what ruins progress. Mistake 1. Doing random workouts. You cannot build a body with randomness. You need structure. Follow a plan. Progress weekly. Mistake 2. Training too easy. If your sets feel comfortable, you won't grow. Muscle requires challenge. Train near failure. Mistake 3. Skipping legs. Upper body only equals incomplete physique. Train legs, always. Mistake 4. No progression. Same reps, same routine, same body. Track your workouts. Level up. Mistake 5. Expecting results in 7 days. This is not magic, but it works fast if you stay consistent. Real change happens in 4 weeks, strength, 8 weeks, visible muscle, 12 weeks, transformation. Stay patient. So, let me ask you again, how long are you going to wait? You don't need a gym, you don't need equipment, you don't need excuses. You need a decision. Start today. 1 push-up, 1 squat, 1 workout. Because 30 days from now, you will thank yourself. And if you want to build your body at home fast, comment below, "I'm starting today." And if you want the full beginner home workout plan, subscribe to the channel.